Hey guys, let's talk about the Alexa skills and games menu not available anymore. I'm using here the Alexa Plus, and for some reason it's not available anymore where it used to be, just right here. I used to come here to this menu and see skills and games, but it's not available here anymore since I have the new version, right? So now I just need to come here to Mrs. A in store. I'm not gonna say her name because she started responding here, okay? So here you can just come to this search bar and then you can find your skills and anything else, right? So just enter here, for example, I'm looking for the Tapo skills. I have the Tapo cameras here and you see that's available now, okay? So I can enable, disable, and do whatever I want here. So it's just a changing of the menu and it works anyway. I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way now you can have your Alexa working with the skills and menu in a different location. So just give your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.